Right, welcome everybody. My name is JP Rodemeyer, the founder and creator of TRON Thunder. And finally, the wait is over. All right, everyone is welcome. All the members of TRON Thunder is welcome. We have officially started the community sale of the TTT token, the Thunder Trend token, not the TRON Thunder token. So that was one of the big things that we had to face in the last couple of weeks. And we said that we're going to launch the community sale on the 1st, and today it's the 9th. Okay, so yes, we are delayed and we do apologize for this. All right, unfortunately, with a project, you can never actually 100% guarantee that everything is going to run smoothly. We never anticipated what was going to be happening with TRON SCAN, right? We published our TRON Thunder token, and after 2 days, they came back and said, well, the token is officially blocked because it's got the words TRON in it, okay? I wrote about a page letter to them and explained to them the reason, what the future of the company is and everything, and they didn't even reply. All right, up until today, I have not received a single response from TRON SCAN. Okay, so we had to make the hard decision and we decided to change our name to Thunder Trend. Right, so why did we choose Thunder Trend? Because we want to introduce the latest, what's happening, what's exciting, what's on fire products and services in the future of TRON Thunder, in the future of Sun, the Smart United Network, and of course, Thunder Trend. Apologies. Right, so we chose the name Thunder Trend. So the token is not TRON Thunder token anymore. It's now Thunder Trend token. Okay, very, very important that everybody understands this. So before we start, I'm going to and explain how to buy TTT. I'm going to give a bit of an update. Like I said, I was not available in the past couple of months as actively on the Zoom meetings as what I wanted to. I needed to keep my eye on the ball, make sure that everything is happening exactly the way it should. And like I already said, there has been delays. Right, so what is happening with the original TRON Thunder token? Okay, we did create the smart contract. It is in the back office. Not in the back office, it is on the blockchain, but currently it's blocked. Will it be unblocked in the future? We don't know. We can't wait anymore. We have to move forward. All right, so the members that do have TRON Thunder tokens in their back office, all right, that received it in 2021, right? We did stipulate this. Those tokens were 100% for free. That was the airdrop, and we will release it once we go over to the exchange. There is so many people that are currently asking us, when can we sell these tokens? You will not be able to sell these tokens up until the public sale of the Thunder Trend token is completed. Okay, so we are not going to be allowing any pumping and dumping. All right, what is pumping and dumping? It's when we get investors into to purchase the token, and then as the token's value is increasing, they go and sell, and it just drops immensely. By releasing the TTT that was be given in 2021 in masses, it will cause a massive dump of the tokens, and we know this. We will not allow it. Gradually, we will allow everyone to convert the TRON Thunder token over to the new Thunder Trend token. Okay, and this will happen, like I said, after the public sale is completed. All right, so there will be no sell option inside of TRON Thunder for you to be able to sell the TTT that you're purchasing now, right? Up until the exchange, all right? Up until the public sale is completed. And we will also not be listing in any exchanges up until the public sale is completed. Once again, this is to reduce the pump and dump scenario. Now, the Smart United Network. What is the Smart United Network? Before I even continue and I speak about this, is the umbrella company, the main company of TRON Thunder, right? Of Thunder Trend, of the games, of everything, right? It is the main company. It is the registered company that I have registered personally in South Africa, right? And we've made it very easy for you to go and view the white paper of the Smart United Network. please go to bit.ly/Smart United Network, one word, and you will get access to the white paper. This is a temporary link, and it will change once we go into public sale. We will release the official document. All right, and this document will be translated into multiple languages. So if you want to understand what is TRON Thunder, what is Thunder Trend, and what is Sun, and what is the future of this company and of the token, of course, right, then please go and read our white paper. It will explain absolutely everything in there for you. Right. Also, this is very, very exciting. I did announce this earlier in the Telegram channel, but for those that are not in the Telegram channel, our smart contract has been audited, right, by a company which is called Solidity Finance. Now, this company also audited the famous Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. If you want to know what this Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs are, they cost roughly about $200,000 to $500,000 per NFT. All right, so they are super, super popular, and the same company that audited the famous Bored Ape Yacht Club has audited our Thunder Trend token. All right. So I will leave a link in the description of this video as well on the YouTube channel. Right, now, for the members that are inside of TRON Thunder, this is very exciting for you. If anybody in your downline, your current downline, your future downline, goes and purchases the Thunder Trend token, the TTT token, right, you will receive an affiliate sales commission. All right, affiliate sales commission. That means that somebody purchases the product that you are providing and you receive a commission, and this commission goes 10 levels deep. 5% on the first level, 1% on the second level, and then 0.5% for every remaining 8 levels. Now, there is only a couple of months left for Dubai. Right, only a couple of months left. There's very, very little time. Okay, and you need to achieve VIP 5 rank. If you achieve VIP 5 rank after the designated time, then unfortunately your ticket will not be paid. Right, this paid ticket will include your accommodation, of course, your plane ticket, your food, and the event, the VIP event, where you will be meeting me personally. And also, we will be giving you guys an experience of a lifetime to view all the exciting things inside of Dubai. Now, how will you benefit by purchasing TTT, and how is it going to work? Right, so all the current and future members will require TTT to participate in the future products and services of the Smart United Network ecosystem, right, or SUN, the Sun Network. Right. Now, this will include the TRON Thunder membership that everybody is joining with now, the Thunder Decks, the NFT Metaverse games, NFT Marketplace, the Lightning Academy, AdWorld, and many, many more. Right. Please note that we will only implement TTT as a payment method in our products once the public sale is completed. Right. So for all the current and existing members, you do not need to worry about this up until the public sale is completed of 70 million TTT. Right. We estimate that this is going to happen within the next 3 months. It can even happen in the next week. Okay. It might even happen in the next 4 months or 6 months. It all depends on what the members are going to be doing and what we're going to be doing. We're going to be marketing the Thunder Trend token like it's never ever been marketed before on all social media to explain to everybody what the value is of this token. So you do not want to miss the opportunity to purchase your TTT at a very affordable value, right? Because this will increase by supply and demand, because TTT is not a security token. It is a utility token. You're going to have to use it to be able to access the products and services. Okay, we're already sitting at 137,000 people. We estimate we're going to sit by 1 million members by September, right? And this will mean that there's a very high chance that TTT will skyrocket in value, way past what TRON's current value is. because the members will have to access TTT to be able to join. Now, the token sale will consist of 4 exciting phases. Phase 1 is 30 million TTT valued at $0.1 per token. Phase 2 is 20 million TTT valued at $0.15 per token. Phase 3 is 10 million TTT valued at $0.2 per token. And phase 4 is 10 million TTT valued at $0.25 per token. Right, so once all 4 phases is completed, we will go onto exchange, and then the members that do want to go and sell their tokens, they will be welcome to go and sell it on exchange for all the new members that are going to be joining TRON Thunder, the Smart United Network, and of course Thunder Trend and all the other products and services that we're going to be producing in the future. Now, everyone will require TRC20 USDT to purchase TTT. Please do not, I repeat, please do not try and purchase this with TRON or with USDC or any other cryptocurrency except USDT. We do not even accept TRX. In the past, whenever we said, all right, it's going to cost $25 or $80 to join, then the TRON value is so fluctuating, it makes it very difficult for the members to actually join, right? So by locking it at a USDT value, it's simple. You're going to be paying 25 USDT minimum to purchase TTT, right? And then lastly on this, please note there is a $1 fee, right, that will be deducted of your amount. So if you are buying $25 of TTT, you will receive only $24 of TTT. The $1 covers the transaction fees, and it just covers the transaction fees. You can go work it out. It's quite expensive for us to transfer TTT from our wallets to any of the members' wallets. Now, to reduce that cost as well, we have staked some of our tokens, our TRX, to reduce the cost, but there is still a cost involved, right? Okay, so that is the full updates of TRON Thunder, all right, and the Thunder Trend token, all right. In the next video series, I will personally guide you on how to purchase TTT with USDT, how to withdraw TTT, and how to even add TTT to your USDT wallet address. Right, so that's it from me. Full updates. Sorry, it's been a long time since you've heard from me. God bless everybody. I'll see you in the next update and in the next Zoom meeting. Bye-bye.